Okay, right. Hi, Miss Amy.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. I was just recovering from fever.
Oh, okay. Last week, my friends told me that your family has fever.
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's good. And how is your son?
Oh, he's recovering too. He also got fever for me. That's why he wasn't in class like last week, throughout last week.
Alhamdulillah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, right. In case you're in here, and since you're here, I will tell some update of your progress from your child. In class, he is doing very well, but he seemed not confident in front of his friend. When he's speaking, he's not making eye contact, and but it's not most every time, and sometimes he confident, but it depends on the topic. So I suggest that he more reading a book, and then I think he will get some ideas to present in front of his friend. And also I think your son is not kind of aggressive or a bit stubborn. No, I don't think so. Okay, but sometimes I can see that your son is not making a good bond among his friends. So I think I can talk with him later.
Okay, good. I will talk with him too. Thank you so much. Maybe later on I will tell him to read some book and be more active in class if so.
Okay. I will schedule another class for him.
Okay.
Okay. So I think